Good morning, students. Today we are going to see an interesting lesson in science. Okay, so before just starting the lesson, let us see which is present around you. So can you see what are the things which is present around you? Just see, there are different things. For example, we can see the table, chair, books, then different houses which is present around you, then books, table, everything. So you can see me also. Okay. So we can see different things which is present around us. So today this is what the chapter we are going to see. Okay. So the chapter is nothing but living and non-living things. So first we need to know what is living thing. What is a living thing? A living thing is nothing but having a life. So if a living thing has a life. So if a living thing has a life, then it will be termed as a living thing. Okay, so for example, animals, plants, birds, insects. So these are the examples for living things. Okay, so just see, you can see the animals, it has a life. So it is living. Okay, it is a living thing. It has some life. It is moving from one place to other. Okay, so all these things will be coming under living things. Okay, then see plants. Plants is also a living thing. Okay, so it is has a life to live. Then birds. It has also has a life to live. It is also having a life. Okay. Then insects. Insects is also having a life. So it is living. So whatever the thing which is has a life will be termed as a living thing. Then you can ask, what is a non-living thing? What is a non-living thing? It is just opposite to living things. So non-living thing is nothing but it has no life. It has no life. It has no nothing. It is just an object which is present in one place. So that is known as a non-living thing. Now we can see the example for non-living things. So what are the examples? Table, chair, books, houses. Now see, does a table has a life? No, it has no life. It is just present in one place. Until and unless if you are moving from one place to another, it will be staying in the same place. Okay, so that is a non-living thing. The same chair. Chair is also a non-living thing. Does it move from one place to other? No. Yes, so this is also a non-living thing. Then come to books. Books, can it breathe? Does it move from one place to other? No. So with the things which do not move from one place to other will be termed as a non-living things. Okay. Then houses. So houses also is a non-living things. Houses, can it move from one place to other? No. Right. So that is houses also is a non-living thing. So living thing which has a life to live. Okay. So but non-living things does not have a life to live. Okay. So this is a living things and non-living things. Now we can just differentiate how living things and non-living things is breathing. Okay, so living things, example, just how living things breathe. Human beings. Human being is a living thing. So I am a human being. I can breathe. So we can inhale and exhale. Just inhale your breath. Exhale. Can we breathe? Yes. So the living things can breathe. Okay. So how the terms different living things can breathe, we will be seeing that. Okay. So human being. First example is human being. So how human being will be breathing? We will be breathing by our nose. So how we are breathing? We are breathing by our nose. Okay. Then plants. Plants can also breathe. How can they breathe? They can breathe by their small Okay, so plant can also breathe. Then insects. How insects will breathe? Some insects can breathe normally, but when it comes to cockroach and butterflies, they'll be having a holes in their body. They'll be having a holes in their body. By that only these insects will be breathing. Okay. Then frog. You may ask frog. How frog can breathe? A frog can breathe by their skin. When they are frog or in water, they'll be breathing by their skin. So the skin will help the frog to breathe when they are in water. When they are in land, they are used to breathe by their lungs. Okay, the frogs can use to breathe in two ways. So in water, if they are frog or in water, they can breathe by their skin. If they are in land, the frogs can breathe by their lungs. Okay. Then come to fish. Fish can breathe by gills. So they will be having a gills in the side of the eye. Okay. So that by using the gills only, fish can breathe. So using of their only gills. Gills. Okay. Then how does non-living things breathe? Can it breathe? Does a table, chair or scale, can it breathe? No. So all the living things, non-living things, all the non-living things will not breathe. Can you understand, children? So once again I will say, what are the living things? Living thing which has some life, that is known as a living thing. So what are the examples of living things? Animals, plants, birds and insects. Then come to non-living things. Non-living thing, all the object will not have a life. So what are the examples for non-living things? Table, chair, books and houses. So these are the examples for non-living things. Then we can see how living things breathe. What are the terms of given example for living things? Human being, plants, insects, frogs and fish. Okay, so how human beings will breathe? They will be breathing by nose. So we used to breathe by our nose, right? Yes. Plants, how plants will breathe? They will be having a pores on the top of the leaves. Using the stomata, plants will be breathing. Then insects. Insects will be having a holes in their body. For example, cockroaches and butterflies will be having their holes in their body. Using that, their insects will be breathing. Then frogs. Frogs, how frogs will be breathing? In water, if they are frogs or in water, they will be using to breathe by its skin. When the frogs are in land, they used to breathe by lungs. Okay, children? Then fish. How fish breathe? The fish breathe by using the gills. Gills. Okay, so using this or the example for living things, how they used to breathe. Then all the non-living things, don't breathe. Okay, children? Can you understand? Okay, children. Before what we saw, what is the living and non-living things and how living things breathe we saw. Okay. Now we are going to see how living things move from one place to another. Okay. So first, what is that? Living things, most of the living things can move by their own. So all the living things can move by their own. Okay. For example, now I am moving from one place to another. Okay, so what makes me to move? I am moving, nothing that is causing me to move. I am just moving by my own. Okay, if I am moving by my own, then it is known as a living things. Okay, so just you can see the example how the living things move in their own. Okay, so first example is human being. So what I said itself is an example. Okay, so human being. How human being will be moving? The human being will be moving by walk. Okay, so now I am walking and I am moving from one place to another. Okay, so by walk. Okay, then animals. So how animals will be moving from one place to another? They use either walk they will run. Okay, so animals either walk, they will run. They will be using this tool to move from one place to another. Then plants. Now you may ask how plants will be moving from one place to another. If they are not moving from one place to another, then how can we say that is a living things? So how plants will move if they don't move from one place to another? They have just one part of the plant will be just showing the movement. Okay, so they will be growing. So that in case they will be saying that it is a non-living thing and it has a movement. So living things in plants don't move. Only the parts of the plants show movement. So the parts, if there is a planting one tree, that plant will be growing to some amount. Okay, so they will be growing to a little bit. So that in case we can show it's showing its own movement. Okay, so that is known as a living things. So plant is also living thing. It can also show movement. Then example for plant is sunflower, touch me not plant. So what is sunflower? What is the example? Why we gave a sunflower means if you are planting a sunflower, if there is a sunlight is passing, automatically the sunflower will turn towards the sun. Okay, so that it is showing its own movement by its own. Okay, so that only we are telling that sunflower is a living thing. Then what is the example for touch me not plant? If you just have you seen a touch me not plant? If you are going to just touch the leaf of the one leaf you are touching, automatically all the plants will be shrinking and it will be coming together. So it is running the process by its own. So only these two examples are given here. It is showing their own movement. Okay, so first one by all I will say living things can move. Most of the living things can move by their own. So we can come to know if they are moving by their own, then it is a living things. So how human beings will be moving? They will be moving by walk. Animals, they will run or walk. Okay. Then plants. Plants don't move. Only the parts of plants show movement. What is the example for plants? Sunflower, touch me not plant. So why sunflower? If sunflower is there, the sun is just showing it is a sunflower, sunlight is just shining, then that time automatically the sunflower will be turning towards the sun. Then touch not plant, if you are touching, go and touch the plant means only one leaf you will be touching. All the plants will be shrinking together. That process is done by the own. So that one it is known as a living thing and it can move. It shows the movement in plants. Then come to non-living things. So now you may ask, what are the non-living things given here? Car, buses, lorry, table. So it can also move. But now we can ask, it is moving from one place to another. Then how you are telling it is a non-living thing? So one thing you have to notice, it should be moving by their own. If the thing it is moving by their own, then it is known as a non-living thing. It is not moving by their own. You can see, if I am just starting the car, bus or lorry only, it will move from one place to another. Until then, the car or bus or lorry or whatever vehicle will be staying in that same place. Then table also. If I am just pushing the table, only then the table will be moving from one place to another. It is not going to move by its own. So that these four things are non-living things. So that way they say move only by external force. So external force is nothing but a physical force. So when I am giving you physical force, and if I am just starting the car or bus or lorry, only then the vehicle will be moving. Then table also. If I am pushing only there is a force is there, physical force is there. Then only the object is moving from one place to another. So when this we can term as it is a non-living thing. So non-living things it will be moving by its own. It shows some movement by its own. Then it is a living thing. It does not show any movement by its own. Then non-living things. Can you understand, children? Okay, children. So last what we saw, how living things and non-living things move, and why we are saying it is a living things and why we are saying it is not living things. So why the movement only we are come to know that it is a non-living things and living things. Okay. So now we are going to see about how living things need food and water, by what way they need, by what they making them to get their own food. So this is what we are going to see now. Okay. So first we see living things. Living things need food and water. So we are living things, right? So we can live, we need food and water to live. So we will be eating different types of food, right? So how the way we need, or how the way we get the food. This is what we are going to see one by one. Okay. So we need food and water to survive. So for living we need some food and water. Can we just give the food and water to the day? No, we cannot, because we will be feel hungry, we will be tired, we need some energy, right? So for getting energy, we need some food and water, and for living also, we need food and water. Okay? Then, what does the food and water help us? It helps us to grow and live. So by using the food and water only, we are growing and we are living. If there is no food, can we just grow? We won't grow, we will be the same size and thing. Then we won't be not able to live. So the basic thing is food and water. Then it gives energy. So who gives energy? The food and water gives energy. So it gives some energy, which means strength to our body. So not only human beings, to all the living things, food and water is a basic thing. So that by that only we get some energy, we get some strength, then only we are able to live. So then how the human beings get their own food? They are getting their food, they will be eating different kinds, which means various kinds of food. So you like different types of food, no? You will be having your favorite food, I will be having a separate favorite food. Okay, so there are different types of food, different kinds of food we eat. We human beings eat different kinds of food. Then how animals will be eating, how they get their food and water? Animal used to eat flesh. Flesh means the raw thing of animal. The raw thing of animals will be just hunting and they will be eating the raw. So that is known as a flesh. Okay. Then plants. How plants eat? They will be preparing its own food. So we don't give a food to them. They will be preparing their own food. They will be getting water and then they will be converting into minerals and they will be getting by sunlight and then prepare their own food. Okay. So this is what living things prepare their food and how they will be eating the food and water. Then how it will be getting some energy to living things. Okay. Then now we will come to non-living things. All non-living things no need of food and water. So they don't need food and water to live. There is a non-living thing, they can't breathe, they can't move from one place to another. So they don't need food and water to live. Can you understand, children? So once again I will say from the first. So living